Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to IP test a Perseo with the IP test kit from Ayrton. What is an IP rating? The letters stand for Ingress Protection. The IP rating, or IP code, classifies the degree of protection provided by an enclosure for electrical equipment with a rated voltage not exceeding 72.5 kilovolts. This standard defines the sealing effectiveness against ingress, or intrusion from foreign bodies such as dirt, tools, or liquids. The IP rating normally has two, but may have three numbers. The first is protection against solid objects. The second is protection against liquids such as water. And the third, which is commonly omitted, is protection against mechanical impact. So let's jump into our test. The fixture that I'm testing today was recently repaired, and I need to ensure that it maintains its factory IP65 rating. First, I'll take off the lens hood and the backing plate to reveal our IP seals. With the seals removed, I'll insert the plug and pressure fittings. With the test kit powered on, we can select our fixture and start the test. The system runs a series of vacuum and pressure tests in order to secure the fixture's IP rating. The fixture passes. We can reassemble our fixture. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe.